Okay guys, really quick video. I wanted to make this because I talk about generalists and specialists, and most people will get hired in this industry as a specialist. Now there's two kinds of specialists. There's your actual job, so your role. Are you a coordinator? Are you a CRA? Are you regulatory affairs? Are you trial master file? What are you? Are you an assistant? That's your role. There's also the specialist of therapeutic indications. So you're when you get started, you're going to get hired in a specialist role and possibly if you work at a site, a specialist indication. Now this video is going to teach you how to go from specialist indication to generalist indication. I'm going to do other videos on how to go from specialist job to another generalist job or a specialist job. So here's the thing. Being a generalist, what I mean by that is once you've mastered sort of your niche that you got into, usually takes 2 years, you can now become a specialist in another vertical while still maintaining your activity in your specialty that you got started at. So the thing is, you're going to have to do this on your own. No one's going to do it for you unless you're lucky enough to work at one of these employers where they'll pay for your continuing education, which I think is fantastic. A lot of CROs are doing that for their staff, but you're going to have to take the initiative if you want to go from specialist to generalist, which remember is just another specialist. So now you're like a double specialist, and then you go to be a triple specialist. Pretty soon you know a lot about everything and you're a generalist. That's immunity from any recessions, or at least from most market fluctuations, and any technology that may come along. Of course, not everything, but so this video, I want to talk about therapeutic indications. It's probably the easiest of the two, from specialty positions or specialty indications. It's probably the easiest of the two to switch. Let's say you start out in psychiatry, but you want to branch off into oncology, okay? While you're still doing your psychiatry job, you don't quit, okay? Unless there's some crazy circumstance where you just get hired in oncology. You don't quit. You keep what you learned, you keep doing that, and you train yourself. There's free trainings online about oncology. Learn what aspects of oncology you want to get into. Go on clinicaltrials.gov, go on Google Scholar, search oncology trials, look at the assessments. Those assessments you need to become very familiar with. You can actually get certified on some of these assessments. Sometimes it's free, other times you have to pay. Right now I'm doing an immuno-oncology course through Harvard Online Med School, $800. But guess what? That's going to pave the way for my future career and my future entrepreneur businesses as an oncology CRO and as an oncology CRA. So this is the easiest of the two. The specialty therapeutic indication is the easiest. You just use Google, you learn what all the assessments are, you learn what all the meds are, con meds, in these particular indications, and then you look for certifications in those assessments. That's what you do. That's how you do it. I'll make another video on how to go from specialist job to another specialist job and help you become a generalist in the process. Take care.